If you're new to the AI space, then you might be wondering which is the best AI content writer that you should be testing out. What I want to show you in this video is a low risk software for beginners. And the reason I'm going to class it as low risk is because it's got a free trial that you can use. And this free trial doesn't have a limit on days. What they actually do is limit you by words. You're going to get 10,000 words or credits a month that you can use on this piece of software. So in theory, there's no reason why you couldn't be using this software without having to pay any money at all, as long as you can keep your use under 10,000 words. All you need to get started is an email address. It's got 40 tools within it that you can test out, 30 languages covered, and it does both short and long form content. Before I show you this software, if you want to have a tool to be able to compare different AI content generators, then the second link in the description of this video will take you to our website. We publish a huge amount of content about AI content writers. You can also access our videos here or on our YouTube channel. All you need to do is click this button here. You'll see a comparisons table. You'll be able to see which softwares are out there that have free trials, what kind of tools they have, and you'll be able to compare different types of AI content generators in one place. But for now, here's the software that I want to show you. This is Writer. I've signed up with my Gmail account, and this is what the software looks like. This is the dashboard. If I go over to the account button here, then you'll be able to see that I'm on the free plan, and as I said, I've got 10,000 credits a month for me to use, and I've currently got until January the 8th in order to be able to do that. So they reset every month. If I want to go for the paid plan, then it's $29 a month. However, we do send out emails. If you're in our email list, then you'll be able to get emails that will tell you when software like this have coupon codes available. And we also produce shorts on a YouTube channel which send you discounts. So if you're interested in getting a discount on AI content generators or AI generators, subscribe to the channel, and you can, every time we produce a short, you'll be able to check out if that one is going to give you a discount code. So what I'm going to do is go over here, and everything on the left is what I want to use. And there's no jumping around to different parts of the software, which is why it's another great option for beginners. We're just going to work down this process here. So I'm going to stick with English and the tone you want to be able to pick. So I'm going to go for informative, because I'm going to produce an informative blog post. Now you can see here, these are all the different tools that we can use within Writer. I can do things with videos, testimonials, we've got story writing, we've got SEO, meta descriptions and titles, we've got question and answer, which is great if you want to produce short form content for something like Quora, post and caption ideas for things like social media. If you're thinking about getting into sort of SEO and things like that, then you've got keyword extractors here. And at the end of this video, I'll send you, you'll be able to see a link to another video that shows you how you can get better content with Writer if you're interested in SERPs and ranking and things like that. We've also got some ad copy, emails, and some proper copywriting tools. Lots and lots of different things you can do. But for now, I'm just going to show you how the blog ideas and outline works. So now we need to put in our primary keyword. So let's say something for how to find the best savings account in 2023. So let's imagine we're doing a blog post about saving money. Number of variants, well, this will give you a lot more options. So one variant, we're just going to get one output, 2 variants, 3 variants. So if you're not really sure what you're looking for, you might want to increase your variants, but remember that's going to increase your word usage. Then creativity level, I'm going to keep it at optimal, and then all I need to do is hit the Write for Me button, and the AI within the software is going to work, and it's going to produce for me a blog idea or outline based around this information. So the AI has now worked, and this is the outline of my content. So I've got my title here, I've got my introduction, which just given me some keywords, best savings account, we've got low fees or no fees, minimum balance requirements, check-ins and savings accounts, and then the conclusion. So what I can do now is I can edit any of this up if I want to. You can see I can optimize it for my website by putting H123 titles in here, I can bold, underline, so I can do all of my editing within the cloud, which is another great thing for beginners, because if you're not quite got your website set up, you can start creating your blog content and you can access it anywhere where you can get onto a computer. You can see I've used up 141 words, so I could go through and edit this up, but what I want to do now is I'm going to go to blog section writing. So this is my first section here, so I'm just going to copy this here and I'm going to put it into my section topic. I'm going to take the keywords that they've given me here and I'm going to put that in there, and once I've done that, all I need to do is hit write for me, and it's going to write my introduction. So again, the AI tool is working and it's going to write the content for me. So you can see it's put it down here at the bottom. Now, as I said, I was going to share a tips video for Writer at the end of this video, and it's going to show you how you can change the settings in Writer so this information will actually turn up at the top here. Now, remember, if I pick more variants, then I'd have 2 or 3 paragraphs to pick from, and I would be able to then chop and change and edit this up. But I'd now be able to read through and edit any of this information. Remember, it's your responsibility to make sure everything is factually correct and quality check your information. So you would have a responsibility to read through this, make sure it's all accurate, and all I would do then is repeat exactly the same thing for the next section topic. I'd put it in there, take the keywords, put it in there, and then I would be able to write. If I wanted more writing, then what I can do is I can put continue writing here, which will auto write the next sentences. All I've got to do is click on a small amount, continue writing, and it will expand on that particular part of the article. Maybe I want to expand this bit here, so I could do the same thing. You just need to make sure that you've highlighted enough for it to be able to write. You should also notice here I can do AI images as well. This will use up some of your word count, but I can find a particular part of my writing, click on AI image, and it will produce an AI image with the text as well. If I take you over to the account here, you can see now that I've used up some of my word count, so we can track everything as we go. And you can see here that we can generate up to 100 images with AI if you are on their subscription plan. And you also get unlimited characters if you decide to subscribe. You can pay monthly, which means you can cancel, or you can pay yearly. But as I said, we do share coupon codes for softwares like this and other ones on our email list. So you can hit the second link in the description, sign up to our email list and get those. Or we also give them out to you when we get them as shorts videos on this channel. Have a look at the video now on the screen. That's going to give you some tips on how you can actually use Writer in different ways in order to be able to get your most out of it, especially if you're interested in SEO and ranking your articles in Google. And if you're interested in picking up Writer, it's the first link within the description. And we'll see you in the next video.